I'm hungry. All right, welcome back. So in this episode, we'll be making the ground chicken skewers. So we're just gonna prep it up right now. It's gonna be really easy. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put the barbecue sauce that I made the last time, and I'll put the link on it at the end of the video if you wanna know how to make it. And we're just gonna put a couple of tablespoons in there. All right, because it has all the spices we need. And then we're just gonna dice some onions, or mince some onions.